Feeling that a certain stretch during yoga that's too good to be true? It might be a sign that your joints are in danger. Well, yoga is all about feeling good and finding your flow. There are some sneaky signals your joints might be sending you that you shouldn't ignore. So let's jump into how to keep those joints happy and healthy during your yoga practice. So imagine your joints as those magical hinges that allow you to bend, twist, and move freely. When everything's working smoothly, you're good to go. But if any part of the system is off, you might feel some discomfort or pain during yoga, and we definitely don't want that. So what are the sensations that should make you hit the pause button during your practice? Well, first up, sharp pain. This isn't the normal stretch or mild discomfort that we sometimes feel when we're challenging our bodies. Sharp pain is like your body's fire alarm going off, telling you that something is wrong. So if you feel this, stop immediately. Don't push through it. It's your body's way of saying, hey, something's not right here. Next, let's talk about those grinding or popping sounds. Hey guys, have you ever experienced those unsettling joint noises during your workouts? How did you handle them? Let us know in the comment section below. I would love to hear about your experiences with these popping sounds. These sounds can signal underlying issues such as cartilage wear and tear. Now, cartilage that is smooth, rubbery tissue that cushions your joints and helps them to move smoothly. When it starts to wear down, you might hear grinding sounds as bones rub together more than they should. This can happen due to overuse, joint misalignment, or conditions like osteoarthritis. Loud pops could also indicate that there are loose fragments within the joint, possibly from a meniscus tear in your knee or other injuries. These fragments can interfere with joint movement and cause pain or swelling. So if you notice these noises, especially coupled with pain or swelling, it's worth checking in with a healthcare provider to get a proper diagnosis and prevent further damage. Next, we have swelling. If you notice joint swelling after your yoga session or movement practice, it's typically a sign that something's up. Swelling indicates inflammation, which is caused by muscles not working properly and has possibly led to an injury to the joint. This could be from overdoing it in your yoga practice, like pushing too hard on a particular pose or twisting a joint too much. It could also be due to sprains, strains, or conditions like bursitis or tendinitis. So first, give the joint some rest. Wrap ice in a cloth and apply it to the pained area for about 15 to 20 minutes several times a day. Also consider elevating the joint to reduce swelling. If swelling doesn't go down after a couple of days of rest and ice, or it gets worse, friends, it's time to seek medical advice. They might suggest anti-inflammatory medications, physical therapy, or other treatments depending on the underlying cause. Secondly, use muscle activation practices being taught on this channel. I have witnessed time and time again firsthand that inflammation and therefore pain can immediately leave as soon as we get those muscles activated. So lastly, numbness or tingling. This can be a sign of nerve compression or impingement. You might feel it in your wrists, elbows, or lower backs, and it's not something to ignore, especially if it sticks around after your yoga session. Let's talk about how to protect the joints. First thing, warm up properly. A good warm-up increases blood flow to your muscles and joints, making them more pliable and less prone to injury. Muscle activations, my friends, are essential. Stabilize your core through dynamic twists, and controlled joint movements can also do wonders. Always listen to your body. One of the core principles of yoga is mindfulness. Pay close attention to how you feel during each pose. If you notice any of those warning signs, don't push through the pain. Modify the pose or take breaks as you need to. The next tip is to stay hydrated. Proper hydration helps maintain the elasticity of your muscles and joints. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after your yoga session to keep everything lubricated and functioning smoothly. And please, 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 don't forget to rest and recover. Giving your body time to rest is essential for joint health. Incorporate rest days into your routine and listen to your body's need for recovery. And if pain doesn't improve with rest, see a healthcare provider. They can diagnose the issue and suggest treatment or adjustments to your yoga practice. So my friends, there you have it. We've got plenty more insights coming your way. So stay tuned, my friends. And until next time, keep moving, stay mindful, and let's keep those joints strong and happy together.